Imagine finding a species you thought had vanished for over 60 years. We're going to explore the incredible story of the black lion tamarin and its near extinction in Brazil. The black lion tamarin, known scientifically as Leontopithecus chrysopygus, is a rare primate found almost exclusively in the Morro do Diabo State Park in São Paulo. For 65 years, scientists believed this species was completely gone, but a rediscovery in 1970 revealed that a tiny population had survived in the wild. By the 1970s, conservationists estimated only about 200 of these charismatic monkeys remained, facing imminent extinction due to habitat loss in the Atlantic forest. Intensive conservation efforts by the Golden Lion Tamarin Association have been a massive success, allowing the population to rebound from 200 to nearly 5,000 individuals. Biologists warn that keeping this species alive requires a specific critical mass. Roughly 25,000 hectares of protected and connected forest are needed to prevent extinction. Today, the Golden Lion Tamarin stands as one of conservation's rare success stories, proving that dedicated action can bring a lost species back from the brink. This monkey's survival is a testament to what we can achieve together. What other animal stories do you want us to investigate? Let me know in the comments.